The long distance journey from Bangalore to the old Magazine House Dandeli started early morning around 5 a.m. We reached there by 3 p.m. and quickly freshened up to grab last-minute meal in the dining area. We could hear mystifying sounds throughout the trek, though we could not spot any birds on the way up. Perhaps they wanted us to trek all the way up to the hilltop and experience the hypnotizing view of the reservoir from there.
Dha tak gina dha tak gina dha dinna 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 dha.
OMH is a jungle lodge's property, popularly known as Bird's Paradise among photographers and bird watchers, located amidst dense forest of Ganeshgudi in North Karnataka. There is a bird studio where perches and bird baths are arranged, allowing birds to come and play until the sun goes down the horizon. The divine sunshine reaching through dense trees and birds making the wake-up call reminded us to start our day wisely, and so we did. Soaking the golden sunshine, we were all geared up for a nature walk with our naturalist Mr. Vinayak. The Coracle ride in the serene water of River Kali is definitely not to be missed. What could be more comforting than listening to the sound of water waves and swirling around the moving air, taking deep breath and concurring over the anxiety of a city life?
Team tanum, team tanum, team tanum tananum.
This was day 2 of our birding experience, so we were quite familiar with the bird activities there. got settled to our respective positions to welcome the feathery guests, to have some water, and if not, they can take a plunge into it if weather feels too hot. This was the third and last morning of the trip. We're on our way to see the much talked about bird species, the hornbills. Timber Depot Dandeli is famous for all three species of hornbills: Great Indian Hornbill, Malabar Pied Hornbill, and Malabar Grey Hornbill. We even spotted Malabar giant squirrels and spent a good time capturing their amusing behavior. The trip comes to an end here, and it's time to start our journey back home. Watching these feathery creatures dancing to the tune of nature has been no less than a blessing.